Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on a project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. Donations at its wallet address. This includes previous, albeit minor, donations it had received during the war in Donbass, which began in 2014. Cointelegraph spoke to Ukrainian crypto enthusiasts about the charity, who vouched for its legitimacy. Then there is Ukrainadao, which is led by Pussy Riots, Russian feminist protest music group, Nadyatala Konnikova, and seeks to sell a single non-fungible token, or NFT, flag to fund Ukrainian civilian organizations. Currently, the highest bid for the NFT stands at $2.89 million United States dollars. Furthermore, activists in the blockchain community have created an on-chain fund to help Ukraine. The initiative supports a plethora of altcoins, including Near, Binance Coin, BNB, Binance United States dollars, BUSD, and more. Since its launch, the fund has raised more than $1.5 million in crypto, mostly through Near token donations. Anna Tutova, a member of On-Chain Fund and a prominent socialite in the crypto community, told Cointelegraph. We raise money for medicine, evacuation and repair needs, food and clothes. We raise funds only in crypto and use multi-sig wallets to be completely transparent. On-Chain Fund is as well supported by Vitalik Buterin, slickly flesh out and act on carbon reduction strategies. The project is committed to building a blockchain-enabled digital innovation platform that serves the burgeoning low-carbon economy, while catering for business and governmental needs through a rapidly deployable system. Proudly, the carbon contributes to China's carbon neutrality strategy and contributes to global sustainable development goals by tackling the emissions from a wide array of industries including chemical, building materials, food and beverage, paper, transportation and more. We expect the carbon to be able to scale rapidly in the coming years in line with growing demand for digital carbon management services. The Carbon's Food Carbon Management Platform, the United Nations Global Corporate Net Zero Pathway, highlighted the many urgent challenges facing global food production. Produce goes through multiple production stages before it reaches the table, including R&D, harvesting, storage, processing, distribution and ultimately, retail, all of which generate greenhouse gases. The price has broken its bearish market structure recently, therefore, longing any dip would make sense. Areas around 0.0002 would provide a good entry. Summary: in the VET-USDT one-day chart, the price has been accumulating in the range of 0.06 and 0.04. After breaking the supply zone at 0.0625, it is now moving forward to break the 0.083 level. On the weekly chart, the price has been rejected at the 0.1 supply zone. VET bulls would ideally want to see this level flipped. VET BTC one-day chart has been in a consistent macro downtrend for almost a year now that has been broken recently. Providing that the retest of the 160 sat supply zone sparks more buying interest, the next level of interest is 215 sats. The weekly chart shows a similar picture, however, after being rejected at 200 sats, it may test the 145 sats level. On the VET-ETH, one-day chart price seems to be forming a range between 0.000254 and 0.001691. The price has just tested the higher level. It is likely that at some point it will return to the lower level, 0.1 supply zone. VET bulls would ideally want to see this level flipped, not only because it is a massive supply zone, but because it will also break the bear market structure. This could then give it the momentum to move through the trend line for a much larger move. However, right now, it is likely that the price will get rejected and test the 0.061 level. This level should hold if there is still bullish momentum. BTC and ETH are leading the market currently. It, therefore, makes sense to compare VET to BTC and ETH. This is since you are taking more risks by holding VET coins. VET BTC on a one-day chart. VET BTC has been in a consistent macro downtrend for almost a year now. However, after breaking out of the trend line and the bear market structure, it is moving forward to test higher levels. Providing that the retest of the 160 sat supply zone sparks more buying interest, the next level of interest is 215 sats. Derivatives can be used to speculate on assets, but also are a Wall Street tool to squeeze returns out of an asset's volatility. For instance, strategies like long strangle allow a trader to take advantage of a potential surge in the volatility of an asset. ZX² is plotting a way to deliver outsized returns in the market while dampening the volatility of Bitcoin. In sum, the pitch to investors is that it can reduce the volatility of the underlying market to 30% to 40%, compared to Bitcoin's volatility of more than 80%. The crypto options market has grown by nearly 10x since 2020, according to data compiled by the block. Since the start of 2022, the Bitcoin options market has turned over more than $7 billion across venues ranging from CME Group to Deribit. Zheng spent more than 17 years at Credit Suisse, and previously held positions in interest rate derivatives trading at Bank of America and Susquehanna International Group. In a sense, his entrance into the crypto market and the fund's overall approach reflect the crypto market's growing maturation and complexity. According to Zheng, ZX² Capital plans to leverage proprietary indicators based on on-chain data to inform its models. We're leveraging the both of the two worlds. As for his partners, Felix Hu is a well-known NFT enthusiast whose collection was featured in the Wall Street Journal. He has worked on building out two crypto projects, ARPA and Bella Protocol. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents, and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more